Right, guys. We're nearing the second half of the Hexagon Live event today, and I know we mentioned before that the topic is on manufacturing intelligence, but now we're actually gonna scoot away a little bit from that and talk about the forest. And why is that, Erik? Why are we talking about the forest?
Actually, everything is interlinked. We talk about parts that is down to microns, the exact measurement from Hexagon. Then we go to the plants, where we have the digital twin of the plants. And now we go to the planet, and how Hexagon Technologies is also helping to make a game changer with the measurement, quality measurement, but now on the whole planet. So we are part of our evolution. That's the business venture within the Hexagon Group, solely focused on saving the planet, because we believe this is the biggest business opportunity of the 21st century. And it's really, really important. So that's why we're here. And I thought maybe I'll let Stina from our team explain that further. So
sure.
Over on that side.
Yeah, thank you so much. I'm going to hand over to Stina over here.
Hi, nice to meet you. Hi. So basically a lot of what we're doing here at Hexagon Live Eindhoven is talk about our Evolution's Forest Initiative, the Green Cubes. And basically what we want to do, if you look at the iPad here, we want to give commercial value to the highly complex biodiversity hotspots on the planet. And today, unfortunately, these areas don't have any commercial values. But these do, and these do. The palm productions and monocultures. And the way we do this is we measure with Hexagon technology and create a digital twin of the forest in order to essentially create a responsible unit for enterprises to have real impact on the planet. And if you look here at our demo, we show that we're measuring from space with Earth observation. We do airborne LiDAR with fixed wing aircrafts. We measure the forest in situ with the terrestrial LiDAR. And we also do biodiversity indication to connect the two big national parks in Costa Rica in our first project. But what is also really cool is that the Hexagon, for this event and for every attendee at Hexagon Live, is sponsoring 1 cubic meter of rainforest in this corridor. So when the attendees scan this QR code, they can, if you look at iPad again, step into the forest and experience their impact by simply attending this event. So it's really cool. And back to you, Erik, for Ocean.
Yeah, it's super.
Here we go.
We rotate around a little bit. Come here. We take one more round. So within Hexagon, we are proud to have these capabilities from the parts to the plant and then also the planet, where measurement is coming to action. So we talked about the forest and how we are creating new asset class. We happen to have it here. It's also quite exciting what we do in the ocean space. So if we step into another AR type of experience, you see this is the Bahamas seabed, where you then classify this down to a few centimeters, where we have algae, sand, thalassia, what type of seagrass we have there, to introduce it as the world's first blue carbon credits with a very accurate measurement. And of course, it's cool. You see some of these sharks over there. I can even tell how that looks like in with a little camera tag on top of the shark. And that is on top of the pyramid of the biodiversity in the Bahamas seabed. And if you know then that there are a lot of tiger sharks, then you know that there's a lot of small fish and the seabed is healthy. So we have these indications, not just the sharks. We're taking some of this data from aircraft. So we can even step into this aircraft and see some of these Hexagon sensors, as you see here, and that is generating around 800,000 points per second. And that's a way to measure not just parts and the plants, but also the whole planet, from the ocean to the forest. And we are excited to be here and joining you guys live. So yeah, over to you, I guess.
Yeah, thank you so much. And I'm still so in awe of everything that you're showing here. So what do you see as the future impact of this? What is the next 5-10 years? What are you aiming for?
So we are here to create an evolution for Hexagon and our partners, but with all that coming together, that's become a revolution. That's how the whole spin of the name. This is one of the most important things that we need to do as humans. During my lifetime, I think we have lost nearly up to 70% of all living animals. That's just during my lifetime. If we continue in this, it's going to be very, very devastating for our planet. if with the help of digital twin capabilities of measurement, processing, the AI capabilities that we have in Hexagon and our partners, we can give visibility, transparency, trust, and actually generating new asset classes. So these cubes that Stina showed you, that's not just a cube. That's new tradable assets. We can make this bankable. We can create something called natural capital in the ocean, in the forest. And that's what I believe is the future. And we are truly excited to be part of that and shaping it.
Sure. Thank you so much for showing this and also to our audience. I'm sure they're also looking into the impact that this will have. And where else better to do it than at the Future Center. So.
And if they need to know more, and I would strongly recommend, maybe somewhere here below, I don't know where that is, follow our evolution on the LinkedIn, because then you can keep up to date. This is an evolution, a revolution that we all do together. So if you see some of the things that we're doing, maybe you have some ideas where we can do more, let us know, and we make a movement. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much.
High five.
Thank you. High five.